And we're back to learning Midjourney. Let me show you how I've created this panning GIF. It's quite simple. We'll start with Imagine. Let me make it about Greek Olympus. And I add the parameter 16:9 to have this aspect ratio. And then I confirm. This is always the starting point. You create a simple generation of what you need. And then you pick the one that you like. In this case, I would pick number 2. So the next step is to upscale number 2. Once you've got that, just pan it. In my case, I want to have it expand to the right, but you could also do it to left, up, down. Then wait for it to be finished. And here it is now. Pick the expansion that you like. Let's just say number 4. Upscale it again. And after you've upscaled it, you can pan it further to the left or right. Let us do that. And this is what you have to do over and over. I've got a finished result right here about the Roman Empire in flames. Let us use this one. Once you've got it, open it in the browser, then right click Save Image As. Open your video editor. I already imported it, but drag and drop it here into your projects folder. And then you can put it in the timeline. We need the effect controls. If you can't find them, go to Window and open it. At first you want to scale it up. It should be around 133, 34, something like this, and you don't have these black edges anymore on top and bottom. Then you want to position it because it's not on the left. Let me go like this with the position upwards, and we can see here our black bars. And I have to position it like so. Then go to the starting point. You can press position 1 on your keyboard, and you should be at the start of this clip. Start an animation for position by clicking on the clock icon, then go to the end. And now move it to the minus direction until you can see the black bars here on the right side. For me, it's minus 1000. That should be good. And now it's animated, and if I roll it, it moves from left to right. It's definitely too fast for my taste, so I just expand the duration of this element. But now I have to reposition this keyframe to the last position, but now it moves way slower, and this is what we want. You can add your music, just like this. You see the cut tool and cut it. Let me mute it. If you want to inverse it so that it goes from right to left, hold Alt, drag a copy of this element to the right. If you now right click on it, speed and duration, you can't directly inverse it, but you can adjust the duration right here if you have a specific value in mind. Let me make that 20 seconds, and I confirm. Still, speed and duration, it's grayed out, so you can't check it. You have to first nest it, then it's going to work. So right click on the element, use nest, give it a name, confirm, and now right click speed and duration and reverse speed. Let me roll it again, and now it goes from right to left. Additionally, I've added some transitions for this intro clip. You can just right click on the edges of this element and it's going to give it the default transition. It blacks out in my case, like so. So once again, in Midjourney, just upscale and then pan to right and left, up and down, and then keep this direction. Do it over and over until you have a clip that's long enough, and then you can use it for this panning GIF effect. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.